Hey guys, good morning. Um, I'm going to share with you a little bit about how I'm investing right now. So in this is a system I'm using, MTP. So I'm getting in late into this trade. Why? Because I missed the move right here. Because I missed the move right here, I'm waiting for the market. I was waiting for a market. I didn't check it. I was waiting for a market to get back into this area, this high, and then take the trade. So I just took the trade, entered right here, and I just changed the stop loss. And I put my stop loss on this line right here where it tells me to put my stop loss, and I'm waiting for it to continue bullish. This is a long-term strategy. I'm also inside a Nasdaq trade right here. It stopped me out right here. These dips stopped me out, but it really didn't lose any money because when you take a trade right here, you move your stop loss. You continue in moving your stop loss with the trade. After the other trade you take, like if this is the other trade you take, you're moving your stop loss to this area. So it doesn't become to this area anymore. So this trade I'm in also, and on the DAX, I'm in on the trade. This is the same issue. I missed this entry, so I waited for it to enter the same area where it told me to buy it. It did a breakout buy, so I'm taking the same trade right here. All right, that's my 2 cents. The thing about this, you don't need to wait. Sorry, you don't need to rush to take the trade because it's on a daily time frame. Because it's on a daily time frame, you can wait for it. You get an email, you wait for it, and then you can go without stress and taking the trade. And this is the biggest hurdle with this I found is to be next to the chart. If you're next to the chart, there's a higher probability that we will close the trade because we see it in loss and we don't want to lose and we want to close the trade, or we see it in profit and we don't want to lose that profit, so we close the trade. So the hack of this is to not touch anything. Just let it play out, and if we take profits too early, we mess up the system, right? And people are getting great results from this. So I'm just sharing with you my experience. Have an amazing day.